Hey everyone, it's Rita from Miss Rita to the Rescue. Oh, so excited. I figured out how to do the Infusible Ink pens with my Cricut Joy, and I wanted to show you. I'm going to make this two parts because then I wanted to show you how to apply it to a baby bodysuit. So right now I have my Joy set up, and I decided that I was going to use this graphic. It says Little Miss Sassy Pants, and so because it's using the Infusible Ink pens, it's going to outline the letters, okay? And then what I'm going to do is, let me get it started so you can see how it goes. So I'm just gonna see, I made sure I mirrored it, and I've loaded the black pen, and I'm gonna hit go, and it will start working. And then once it outlines all of the letters, you see that it's going. Once it outlines all of the letters, I will take it out and I'll fill in the letters with these. Where are they? Here they are. The Cricut Infusible Ink. These are the freehand markers. And I actually did this with another thing earlier today. I did a whole bunch of these like sayings, and this one said unique, and I filled in the letters with the freehand markers, and then I applied it to the back of this bodysuit just to kind of test them, and it came out really cute. I think I wasn't really that careful about doing the freehand when I first did it. I will be more careful when this finishes up, and I will once I get this all filled in, I'll come back and show you how to apply it to the front of the baby bodysuit. So this is the Cricut Joy, the brand new Cricut Joy, and it is Infusible Ink pens. The pens are specially sized to be used in the Cricut Joy. You cannot use the existing pens, the ones that you have or that are available for the larger machines, because the clamp is smaller. The place where you're going to put either the blade or the clamp is smaller, and so it doesn't it can't accommodate the larger pens. But here we go. That's it. It's done. Let me just show you. Now, when you're using the Infusible Ink pens, you're just using regular paper. This is paper that I got off of my my laser printer, and it's all done. It's all cut out. And I put this on. It's a 4x4 design. I did measure the area for the baby bodysuit, and this is going to look perfect for that. So then I just picked up my design, I chose draw, and then I put in the Infusible Ink pen, and it went ahead and made sure to mirror it, and then it went ahead and did this. So I'll be right back to show you the rest of this.